Hello pool players, Ron here. Got a good one for you guys. I've decided to put together an entire layout of 9-ball here and shoot the shot that I've shown you on my last video where we had to generate power with finesse. So I've placed 3 balls in the right place, okay? The one is going to go into the corner. That's the shot I just showed on my video. But I've got the 2-ball down here, and I've got to come back through here to get shape on this 2. I've placed the 3 right there, strategically placed it there, because if I have a let up on my stroke, I will run into the 3, creating an issue possibly for the 2. So we've got to make a good stroke and come right through here and hit this cushion. Somewhere right in here would be ideal. So let's go ahead and see if we can do this. And maybe even run out. This would be like opening shot. Opponent did not make anything, and this is what they left you. Good pre-shot routine. Step into the shot line. Loose fingers. Sling this cue ball in there. Perfect. I got just enough angle to where I can get to this 3-ball off the 2. Looking at the 4, that's another thing. Don't just look at the 2 to the 3, look at the next ball. The 4 is connected to the 5. We have no problems here. A little bit of top left here. Nice smooth stroke. Pretty good right there. Could have come up a little bit more, but that's okay. So what I'm going to do here, because I got a little angle on this, I could slow roll this and end up with a cut on this 4, but I think if I draw it a little bit and come up here and then out would be better. So that's my goal. I want to see if I can clear the 7. I sure can. Nice smooth stroke here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to slow roll this because this 4 is so close to the corner. Let the cue ball come off and have a nice look at the 6 for down there. The 5 for down there so I can get to the 6. I'm looking at the 6. From the 6 I can easily get to 7. 7's mid-table pretty much, and it's going to go in any pocket. Look at the shot going in. Just got to get the speed right here. Pretty good, pretty good. I'd like to bend this side of the line a little bit, but I think we'll be okay. I'm going to try to stun this a little bit. Maybe even bump that side rail on the way by. I'm going to put follow on it here. I'm going to go 2 cushions and back towards the 7. Inside top left. Okay, now all we have to do is make a good shot. The 7-ball is the key shot. Got a little bit of a funny angle. Just going to hit it nice and easy. I don't have to hit it hard here, but I got to commit to the stroke. Got just the right angle here on this 8 to go 1 cushion and towards the 9. Should be dead straight. Dead straight. Little tiny stop shot here. And we're out. Now, let me say this. This is what I really want to talk about. When you have this shot, what you do not want to do, and I guarantee you, if you're a newer player, you are doing this, because I did it, because I didn't know. Nothing wrong with that. You have to learn this. For you to get this action on this cue ball, you do not want to pound it. You don't want to do this, because you're going to scratch. You want to make sure you hit it with finesse. So let's just show you. And then this video is concluded. I try to keep my videos short and sweet so you guys can learn and digest and then take this to your table and practice. I'm going to hit this with loose fingers, loose wrist. I'm going to Try to pocket that ball cleanly in. Don't really need to. It could hit the cushion on the way in, still is going to go in. But I want to make sure I don't scratch. So I want to hit somewhere on the cushion right here. You saw what I just did. I hit way down here and got shape on the 2. You want to hit this lightly so you don't squirt the cue ball. What that means, let me say this. If I hit to that low right and I hit it too hard, I can squirt the cue ball that way, and that's going to make it miss my mark on my 1 ball. I want to hit it with finesse. Spin it with power without hitting it hard. Don't equate power to hitting hard. Power is not about that. It's about the spin on the cue ball. So here we go. Very simple. Very, very simple. We'd have got on that 2, no problem. If you guys have any questions or comments on this video, please leave them. I'll answer everyone. Thanks for watching. And once again, like I always say, keep on practicing.